Hi class, this is going to be my mini lecture for chapter 15. My name is Giselle Cervantes. So the topic that I chose for our very last mini lecture is define KR and KP and give examples of each. So we're going to go ahead and start right off with knowledge of results, also known as KR. So this refers to the outcome of an attempt to perform a skill. An example that I used would be an external device that gives a yes or no signal indicating whether or not the performance goal was achieved. So it could also be kind of like a buzzer that could be initiated when a patient reaches a certain amount of degrees of knee rotation in a therapist setting. The thing that I used for this was like a lie detector. Like when, for example, when somebody lies, that it shows on the screen with little like what are they called? Little like it basically like charts when you lie, and it goes up like little like triangles, or like a signal. It just signals when you're like lying. Okay, so next we have knowledge of performance, also known as KP. So this refers to the movement-related characteristics associated with an attempt to perform a skill. These are movement characteristics that led to the performance outcome. An example of this could be a video replay showing a person what they did while performing a skill, which is what I have right here in the image below for my example. But that is pretty much my presentation for today. I appreciate you guys listening, and I hope that you guys have great holidays. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.